yung Marcos Island po natin, ma'am.
Here we are,
Majestic Cave.
Marcos Island.
Bali, akit po kayo sa taas po, ma'am. Makikita kayo yung cave. Kalot na po kayo, dito na po yung labasan sa baba.
Yan yung ano sa kuweba. This is where the cave was. You go up there and then jump and then you will be out here.
Oh, okay.
Doon, no?
Well, po, kapya na sila. Kaya po, ma'am, kung gusto mo ba dito, ma'am?
Kita, wala na kami naman life jacket sa pang-talon. Diba? Bawal naman itong mga life jacket na ito.
Okay, out here at Caisson Island. Let's go check it out. Be careful not to rack my head on this coral. Oh wow, zip line, huh? That's pretty cool. Take your zip line right up there, fly right down. I think I heard it's like 100 pesos to do the zip line. Banana boat. And there's our boat right down there. Caisson Island. Holy crap. Well, I'm getting in here kind of deep, huh? I left them guys back at the boat. Oh yeah. What we got down here? Restaurant? Whatever, it's a lot of people. Okay, so this is the third island that we've come to, Caisson Island. And first one was Pilgrimage. Second one was Governor's. And then we had the opportunity to go to Marcos Island, and can't remember what the other one was. We decided to come over here to Caisson Island. The way I see it, Governor's Island, or yeah, Pilgrimage Island, that's one with the Jesus Christ statue. And then Governor's Island, the one with the nice scenic overlook where you can see all the islands. Those two islands, be ready to exercise, be ready to get a good workout. Drink lots of water, all that good jazz. When you come over here to Caisson Island, this seems to be more kind of like the laid-back island. At least that's my interpretation. You know, get your gazebo, relax, chill out, hang out with the family, friends, whatever. All three islands have absolutely beautiful scenery. But this third one here, Caisson Island, this is kind of like where most of the activities take place. You know, your banana boat, your zip line, all that good jazz. Hope I'm going the right way. And then lots of gazebos on this island. This is where you basically want to come to get your gazebo. For sure. Ooh. Watch your step there. One wrong move, man, I'm freaking toast. We won't let that happen though. Alright, get back up here. They don't even know where I'm at right now. I'm just wandering around. I shouldn't be doing this probably. But we'll make it quick. Do this quick little video of Caisson Island. Holy crap. You still get your workout here. That's for sure. See the red horse caps. I could never drink beer in this heat. Well, actually I used to. When I was drinking, I could do it. When I was younger, for sure. Back down we go. Back at this little observation deck. Back down these stairs. Ooh, mama. Watch out. All right. There. We made it. There's the birthday boy. I went all the way up there and looked around. There's just a bunch of gazebos up there. People hanging out. All right, and there's our boat. Everybody sitting inside, taking a chill. Might do the same. So there you have it, Caisson Island. And ziplining. Looks like fun. I don't know if I'm in the mood.